Hello friends, my name is Abhay Soni and today I will give you a brief information about PDF application. Okay, we know that in this time, in this year, everybody go towards digital information, digital education. Everybody want to save their more time to retain or to retain or to absorb any type of information. In order to save their times, in order to save their efforts, I will give you a brief information about this application, which name is WPS PDF. This PDF is not more heavy. Okay, this PDF is not more heavy. This size is only 3 or 23 or 25 MB till now. And this application always come update in the Play Store. You can easily find out this application in the Play Store, or if you are a MI user, you can definitely find out this application from MI application store. Okay, now we will go towards review about this application. Now I will open this application. Now this application are opening. Yeah, now this application would be have been opened, and here you can see there in this application interface. The first option is your home option. You can easily find out their previous PDF, which would be read you in past time. Okay, you can see here is my past readed PDF files. Okay, you can see here my most of the file. Now here is the document option. You can find you can easily open any PDF through their SD card or internal memory of mobile phones. Here is here is also option for you. Here is this is a internal option, which name is mobile directory. The second is SD card. Whatever you would be save in their memory card, you can easily find out, and you can easily go in this section, and you can easily find out this particular PDF from here. Now you can see my lot of PDF are my lot of PDF are saved here. And now I will go back. Okay, now here you can see easily about my uh, previous. Okay, now here is tool option. You can easily here is you will find here you will find a lot of tools about their applications assistance. Okay, here is option for you to convert PDF to image. Okay, here is option for you to resize their application, their PDF, sorry, their PDF. Here is option for you to quick share their PDF to the other person, to the other users. Here is option for you for to convert image to PDF. Okay, here is file editing option. Here is PDF extract option. Okay, here is option for you to convert PDF to doc. Okay, here is a lot of tools are available for you, so that you can use more tools through this application, and enhance their reading quality through this application. And now last option is about me. Here is option for you to log in this application. Okay, you can easily you can easily register here your email and password. You can also register through Google account from here. Okay, now here is second option is about setting. Here is more settings about this application. You can easily link their drop application through this application. Here you can link Google Drive to this application. You can also available of OneDrive, so that you can link to the this application. Now this application clear recent reading. If you are once clear this option, your all previous read PDF would be erased in this application. Okay, here is option for the here this option is available for this feature. And keep lighting on while reading pages. Here is a extra feature for your phone. You can on this option. Now I will deactivate this option till now, for now. Okay, and now here is option for you. You can easily retouch this application. Means you after use this application, you can easily tell the Play Store that this application is good or not. How much this application are good. You can put their idea and their result through 5 stars. Okay, here is option feedback, so that you can written way you can give feedback to this application. Here is option to up to date this application timely. And here is option one more and more PDF application for you. And here is brief information about this application. You can easily go here, and here is short information about this application. Okay, and now here in the on the home page, in the upper side have option for Google Play Store. Okay, you can find out the other application from here, and you can easily search from here. You can easily search any PDF through their name. Okay, just like if I want to read particular or certain PDF, so I will easily write down those applications name from to here. Just like PDF, you can see this names PDF would be available for here. It is easy to find out any application from here. Okay, now I will now I have been given all about information about this application. I have personally used this application, and I am so much impressed through this application. And mobilize our mobilize our education system.